Everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Andy back with another video. So today is his post-op visit to his surgeon. So we're gonna go here and see what he says. So I'm gonna take you along. All right, so this is a follow-up appointment post-op back in Paramus, HSS, location in New Jersey. So this is the front of the building, and we're going inside the office now.
Meniscus, now it's sitting in the right spot, and these are the repair stitches. This is looking at the back of the inside meniscus, and it's torn there. We put a stitch or two right in there across the gap.
Right.
It's hard for you to see, but there's a stitch in there. This is the anterior horn of the meniscus. It's torn off the wall there, and we're going to repair it back. Now you can see it's pulled back to the wall. This is the ACL. Remember I told you it was off the bone. See how it's lifting up like this? And we're going to put drill holes in here and pull it down to the bone. There's our little sutures, passing them through the ligament. Now we've pulled the ACL down. You can see the stitches pulled tight. The ACL is now tight, and there's the PCL up against the wall. See it?
Right.
So that's an ACL primary repair to the tibia and a PCL primary repair to the femur. See it? That's it. Thankfully.
All right, we're in the examining room. Just met with the doctor, and he basically told us what happened, and we just get an update. So I'll do some updates in a little bit. All right, so here's a quick update on our doctor's visit with Dr. Difelice. This was his post-op office visit today. So what was done is he drained out some of the fluid out his knee. Should be less swelling, he said, by come tomorrow perhaps, but it made a big difference for as far as his knee goes, because it's really swelled up before after the surgery. And the next thing he did was took out the sutures on the side, and she's able to take a shower now for the next couple of days. She could take a shower, and in about a week those will fall out, the sutures that he actually put in. So that's an update, and he actually showed us some pictures of the before and after surgery of what his ACL, PCL looked like, and he walked us through what he did, the whole process. It was a quick walkthrough. It wasn't, that much explaining he did, but I understood what happened as far as the repair goes. But afterwards now, he's going to be on physical therapy. It's going to be 3 times a week for the next 6 weeks. We got the doctor's script here, and now we just got to make an appointment to get his physical therapy started. So that's a quick update on our office visit today. So I'll catch you guys in the next video.